After work, many people just watch television. But I do something a little different. I have 3 small hobbies. And they make my life so much better. Let me tell you about them. My first hobby is drawing. In my free time, I sit by the window with my pencil. I draw simple things. A cup of coffee, a tree, my cat sleeping on the sofa. My drawings are not perfect. But that's okay. I don't draw to be perfect. I draw to relax. When I draw, I forget my problems. It helps me clear my mind. My second hobby is walking. Every evening, I take a long walk in the park. I walk slowly, and I look around. I see the trees, the birds, and the sky. Sometimes I take my camera with me. I take photos of small, beautiful things. A yellow leaf, an old bench, the soft evening light. Walking is free, and it's good for my body. But the truth is, it's also good for my heart. My third hobby is growing plants. I have many small plants at home. They sit near my window, in the warm sun. Every morning, I give them a little water. Then I watch them grow, little by little. It's slow, but it's beautiful. My plants teach me to be patient. Now, why do I love my hobbies so much? Well, life can be busy and loud. Work, phones, noise, every day is fast. But my hobbies are slow. They help me take a break. When I draw, or walk, or water my plants, time slows down. I feel calm and happy again. And I don't need money for these things. A pencil, a park, a small green plant. They are cheap, or even free. But they give me so much joy. Let me tell you a short story. Last month, I had a very hard week. I was tired, and a little sad. So one evening, I took my camera and went to the park. The sky was orange and pink. I sat on a bench and watched the sun go down. I took one photo. Just one. And in that moment, I felt light again. The hard week didn't feel so heavy anymore. That is the power of a small hobby. It doesn't change your life in one day. But it makes every day a little softer. So here is my small idea for you. Find one slow hobby. Draw, walk, cook, or grow a plant. Do it a little every day. Little by little, it will change how you feel. And by the way, learning English can be a hobby too. Maybe listening to slow English on this channel is your new hobby. I really hope so. So, that is my story about my hobbies. Drawing, walking, and my little plants. They are simple things, but they make me very happy. If you like slow and easy English like this, please subscribe to Slow English Listening. It's free, and it helps me a lot. And if you enjoyed this video, watch my story about my free time next. We'll talk again soon, in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.